Everyone is talking about AI right now, but the real transformation doesn't happen in research labs or demos. It happens when engineers bring together AI from hyperscalers, ecosystem capabilities, and Accenture assets and build it into the software, products, and platform companies run every day. At Accenture, that's what our AI-powered tech talent does. Engineering across the full life cycle from cloud-native foundations to intelligent systems in production. And if you're excited about that kind of scale, impact, and skill, that's a day in life here. Hi, I'm Kaushik, and I work as a Senior Managing Director leading Software and Platforms Engineering, Reinvention Deployed Engineering, and Cloud First at Accenture Technology Centers. I'm part of Accenture's AI-powered tech talent community, engineers who work at the intersection of platforms, modern software engineering, and artificial intelligence. Behind every simple digital experience is an AI-powered end-to-end engineering lifecycle, architected, modernized, tested, secured, and run at scale. Let's take an example of insurance. When you apply for insurance or receive a policy decision in minutes, it feels effortless. For our clients, that's simplicity powered by cloud-native platforms, intelligent decision engines, and AI-driven engineering across the SDLC. At Accenture, our engineers modernize at scale, embedding AI, automating delivery, and running production-ready systems that millions rely on every day. In simple terms, we turn business ideas into working technology at scale. That means building enterprise systems, modernizing legacy platforms, and creating world-class products and digital platforms for Accenture's clients. Our work spans software, product, and platform engineering, connecting data, workflows, cloud, and AI into systems that companies depend on every day. A lot of organizations today are experimenting with AI, but the real challenge is moving beyond experimentation. As AI-powered tech talent, we bring together the best of hyperscaler AI, ecosystem capabilities, and Accenture assets, and engineer intelligence directly into enterprise platforms. So AI does not sit on the side. It runs inside how businesses operate, decide, and deliver experiences. A typical day in this role usually involves three things. First, we work with businesses and technology teams to understand real challenges, identifying where systems need to be modernized, where platforms need to scale, and where AI can assist people automate decisions or improve workflows. Second, we design and build solutions. This might involve defining APIs, building microservices, designing cloud-native capabilities, or engineering intelligent products that combine software, data, and AI. And third, we make sure everything works in the real world, deploying systems to the cloud, automating delivery pipelines, and ensuring they are secure, scalable, and reliable in production. So it's a role that combines architecture thinking, engineering depth, and hands-on problem solving from idea to live systems. What makes this role exciting is the scale and impact of what we build. We are not creating isolated prototypes or demos. We are modernizing core systems, building platforms, and engineering products that power global enterprises and used by thousands of employees and millions of customers. And as AI-powered tech talent, we are embedding intelligence directly into those systems, not just adopting AI, but engineering it into everyday enterprise workflows, decisions, and enterprises. So when something feels simple to a user, you know there is serious engineering behind it, and you help build that. Three things really matter in this role. First, strong engineering fundamentals. Understanding how modern applications, integrations, and APIs work across the technology stack. Second, cloud and platform architecture knowledge, working with distributed systems, containers, automation, and scalable infrastructure. And third, an AI-first engineering mindset. Curiosity about how technologies like generative AI and intelligent agents can improve real businesses and workflows. Just as important as technical skills is mindset. people who enjoy solving complex problems and continuously learning. One of the things I value most about this role is the opportunity to grow. Many people in this space evolve into AI architects, platform engineering leaders, or product-focused roles. And because Accenture works across industries and technologies, you gain exposure that accelerates that journey. If you want to build and modernize the systems that power modern enterprises and engineer AI into the products and platforms they rely on every day, this is the place to do it. Join Accenture's AI-powered tech talent community, where engineering at scale becomes a day in the life.